excited. I'm going to open it. Ooh, I like what I see. Ooh. Ta-da! Wow, it's so pretty. Oh, so nice. It's like a makeup bag. Oh, there's a few things in here. Let me see. The wig. I don't know what this is yet. It looks like a headband. It has the UNICE or UNICE. Yay! My edges. Actually, I think I could also use this for my eyebrows. Wig cap. Oh, there's two. There's actually two. Wow. Yeah. It's so nice. Yeah, that's a very light scent. Like, yeah, very light scent. Oh, there's something else. Oh, it's a headband. That's nice. It's a headband. Let me show you the inside of the wig. There's a comb there. There's another one here. Another one here. Oh, there's four actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's one in the bottom. Let me turn it around so you can see it better. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, and I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like a mesh. So yeah, you can see my finger. So I don't think it will be as hot as some wigs that have like a fabric. So that's nice. And you can see the hair. It's actually really nice. It's really nice. Yeah, it's soft. My plan was to wash it first, but I just put it on and see what happens. Okay. Oh yeah, I should probably put this one on first. My hair is, by the way, I was not planning to film, but it arrived today, so, and I was too excited. So it's just like a little ponytail. I washed it the other day. Actually, let me show you. I washed my hair the other day and I didn't want to do anything with it. So I just, in the shower, I kept it in the same 4 sections I had in the shower. And I just kind of make like a little bun. And that's going to keep it in place. You can also braid your hair or make it flatter. But just to start, I'm going to try to use these 2 in the front. See how that looks. And then I'm going to put my hair away completely and use it with the headband. Like this. And I don't know if I'm supposed to put the front first. Oh, you know what? I just noticed it has a drawstring also. See that? I'll make it a little bit bigger because it felt a little small. I don't know how to. I just pull. Oh, and I just noticed also it has like anti-slip, so that's nice. Yeah, let me try to put it on. Slip. Let me see there. So I think if you have a small head, you might be able to actually use this as a full wig. My head is like more of a medium, almost large. So, oh, that's pretty. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You see, let me see if I can get close. I've not tried to blend it yet, but this is my hair with the wig. I think the wig might be a little bit darker. I don't know. What do you think? Let me try it. It's pretty. It's pretty, and let me turn around. And it's kind of long also. See that? It's long. That's nice. Let me just pretend that have actually styled my hair and tried it this way. Oh, I hope I don't get makeup on, a bunch of makeup on this. I have a little bit of makeup, but it's hot. It's like, it's over 25 degrees. And yeah, it's kind of humid also. Could I do that maybe? Could that be a style? Nah, let me try to get my hair out and use it as it's intended, as a half wig. That'd be exciting. So I'm going to take these out and make an actual bun. Wigs before, but I used to have synthetic wigs. And then I had a human hair wig, but it was a straight, like a kinky straight wig. So this is my first curly wig. Yeah. Mind you, I've not brushed or styled or anything in my hair. I'm just excited because this is my first curly human hair wig. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm actually not using all the combs. Oh yeah, that's cute. Get closer. See? This is right out of the box. I have done nothing to the wig yet. I like it. Isn't that cute? Yeah. So let me try to take some of my hair out and then put some mousse. See if I can blend it with my own hair. Be right back. So I'm back. I went to get some mousse. I'm going to, it's almost done. I'm going to use this mousse. How much should I take out? And back. This one back on. And then wig back on. Let me see if I can do like a flip over kind of thing. I'll put on a little bit of mousse. I should probably wet my hair. I might be better, but I can. Let's try this first to see how it works. I'm also going to wash the wig in a little bit. See how the curl looks after it has been washed. Let me get a little bit up close and personal. Oh. Mind you, I think we're supposed to wash the wig before. And I'm supposed to wet my hair also. I should probably put mousse on the wig also. Try to mix my hair with the wig. Kind of, the sun is hiding, so my light is kind of gone at the moment, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just put this a little bit to the back. Okay. It's going to get big if you like big hair. It's going to be big if you use it dry. You know, I think it's going to look really pretty. I'm curious about what it looks wet, so so should we wash it? I'll wash it. I want to show the texture now with shower gel. And I noticed while washing it that it has some small baby hairs that look like 4C hair. That was funny. Just want to show you that it's really soft. So I'll probably be done in no time. This is how much this is how much hair shed detangling the hair. I am going to dry it now, and if, as you see, I put it on a towel, and I'm just going to gently wrap the towel around it. Don't mind my towels, I should probably get new ones. And I'm just going to pat dry. I'm going to do this with both of my hands, but I'll just show you. And then eventually I will go upwards also to get as much water as possible out.